Hi, I'm Jennifer Farrell for Lamps Plus. We're at my Wolf Peak Showhouse project in Calabasas, California. We're going to explore the master bedroom and share some design tips you can use in your own home. Let's go. The room is relaxing and warm and organic in feel with lots of wood tones. I love the look for a couple of reasons. There are warm undertones to the room, even in the gray wood grain on the cabinetry and the floor tiles. That makes the bedroom feel warm and inviting. When choosing lighting for an open space like this, an idea is to opt for pendants instead of traditional table lamps. These pendants pull the eye upwards and give a sense of height to the room. For the bedside lighting, I chose these great Sputnik pendants that add a lot of character and visual interest above the simple side tables. If you're looking to add pendants above nightstands, a good size for the pendant is about half the size of the tabletop surface. To get the look, keep in mind these simple tips. Tip 1. Seating at the foot of a bed gives a resort-like feel to any bedroom. Tip 2. Pendant lighting can add visual interest and height to a master suite. Check out the other house tour videos of Wolf Peak and visit lampsplus.com for more tips and ideas.